from multiple firms. One would be McDonald's, the other Yum. Both Yum and McDonald's up double digits in the last 3 months. But which of these two should you use to feed your portfolio right now? Here with the bull case for Yum is David Tarantino, Baird Director of Research and Senior Research Analyst. And joining us with the bull case for McDonald's is Nick Setyan, Wedbush Senior Equity Analyst. Nick, why don't I let you go first and make the case for why you think McDonald's, of these two, may deserve more of your capital right now?
Well, first, thanks for having us. I think the answer is pretty straightforward. I think it's just a straightforward, simpler story with McDonald's. I think the visibility is very high around 2023 expectations. I think in an environment where the customer is going to become more value conscious, McDonald's tends to win pretty consistently. I think the European concerns are overblown. They're clearly gaining share in Europe. And I'd rather err on the side of caution in terms of exposure to Europe than China. And so I just think the volatility around China is here to stay. And so I'd much rather own shares of McDonald's than Yum.
Yeah, David, it's almost like we could put up a chart of, China's stock market versus the S&P or something, and these often behave like proxies. So do you like Yum because of the China factor? What about the volatility Nick's talking about?
Yeah, thanks for having me on the show. And first I should preface this by saying we have an outperform rating on both McDonald's and Yum. So this is a bit like asking me which is my favorite child. But but we do think there's more upside in Yum, and the China recovery is only part of that. As I look at why we like Yum, we think structurally over the next few years they can compound more top and bottom line growth than McDonald's, and do that with a model that requires less capital, and we think inherently that deserves a higher valuation. And the setup for 2023, we do think there's a lot of emerging markets, including China, but also outside of China, that are still recovering from COVID, and we think that can lead to really strong top-line performance for Yum, and that should help sentiment and potentially help valuation metrics expand. One thing I would note is Yum, if we look out to our 2024 estimates, trades at a discount to McDonald's, and we think that can reverse as the sentiment improves and they show good operating results for the year.
Nick, do you want to respond to what he just said there, what David said?
I'm not looking at 2024, but on 2023, McDonald's already trades at over 19. I'm sorry, Yum trades at over 19 times, and McDonald's is trading sub 19. And a month ago, things have changed so much. So I just think right now, looking at 2024 is a little bit, I just don't have that type of visibility. I do know that I have a very high degree of confidence in McDonald's 2023 numbers. And I just don't think it's worth taking the risk on the volatility in China, particularly if the COVID numbers go up pretty consistently.